In this tutorial, we are going to be considering how to create a simple CRUD using Blazor and the Web API on the backend. So we'll be considering how to link a Web API that you have created for an employee functionality and hook it to the Blazor interface. And also we'll be utilizing the functionality of the RADSN components, which will help us with some of the functionalities of the user interface. For those who have subscribed to this channel already, I want to thank you for your support. And in case you've not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you always get the latest content when we post. So as you can see on my screen, this is the complete project of what we will be building. I'll run it so that we can have a look and feel, so that we know what to expect and what will be the result of this entire process. So to run this project, we will first click on the Web API, start without debugging, then also the client, start without debugging. So you can see, so this is the Web API. It has a section for department and employee. So what I mean here is that an employee can have, a department can have several employees. So that is the relationship that we have between the two. And I made this so that the other functionalities of the UI that RADSN components provides for us to be able to fully see how we can utilize them in our operations. So this is the UI as it will look. You can see on the home we have details about the employee, and then we have another section for the department. Maybe I can delete this. So let's add one department. Let's say the department is finance. Submit. So you can see this is the creation. Then it has very beautiful notifications of what has happened. And then of course you can edit and you can delete. Then once you create this department, you come here and create an employee. So as we said, the employee has a relation with the department. So each employee should have a specific department. So there was an example that I was trying to use. Maybe you can use this just to move fast. So we have, let's say, finance, and then the profile of this employee. So there's an image I had here. Let's see that. So you can see the RADSN component has very powerful capabilities on some of their components, which I felt they were good to try and demonstrate in this tutorial. So when we submit this, detail saved, and then we have this. Again, we can edit and do all kinds. So this is simply what you're going to do, and I'm sure having this background information can help you see how you can integrate this on powerful templates that you can find online. So I don't know if you are excited we start on this, and let's begin.